Hey guys, in this video we're going to show you how to turn 4K to 20K plus. The trade we're interested in is MSTR puts, and I'm going to try to get a good fill on that right now. MSTR shooting up a little bit higher right now, so we want to short it on the bounce. So we can get some of these 730s, 8 of them at 4.9. Done. So got 8 contracts, MSTR 730 strike at average cost of 4.9. Okay, the order is in. It's all contingent on a strong, sharp Bitcoin drop that we're expecting to take place today, October 22nd. Clearly, MSTR is highly correlated to the price action in Bitcoin, and we're expecting a huge move lower in Bitcoin to begin at any moment. Right now it's 9:46 a.m., October 22nd. 13 market moves. About to nail the next move in Bitcoin again. Let's roll. Okay, it is 9:47. Basically, 2 minutes later, guys, we are at 63.3 on Bitcoin. 7:30, we're officially in the money on our MSTR contracts. Getting a little bit of traction here. Talking about a perfect entry right before the drop. There it is, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, and as predicted, 13 market moves nails the next Bitcoin move. Again, Bitcoin is at 61,740, guys. The account is at 13K. We're dipping the money on these MSTR. This is how MSTR position looks at this point. Basically, we're making $8,840 on these 8 contracts we're buying right here. Remember, I was just buying them not so long ago, about 20 minutes ago. It's 10:03 a.m. now, and I was paying about 4.9 for them. Right now, I could sell them for about 16 bucks. It's about 3.5x so far. And on the ones, remember, I bought those 3 contracts at 70 cents, so they're up a little bit as well. So altogether, make about $9,200 on the trade, guys. All right, guys, so at the same time, we're shorting MSTR and Coin and all these Bitcoin-related names. We're actually using this platform right here to short actual Bitcoin. So as you can see with our entry, which we entered the trade right here, we're basically shorting MSTR when Bitcoin was right around here. And we're also getting at the same time on the Bitcoin short using about 100x leverage. Now, I don't recommend anybody using 100x leverage unless you know exactly what the fuck you're doing. So now on this position, guys, I'm up 260%. Now that's just in the last hour, and it all is because of the entry that I have nailed. Do not ever trade on any leverage unless you can pinpoint specifically why a certain entry is the best entry you can possibly ever figure out or imagine. So these profits can build up rather fast if you understand the entries and exits on Bitcoin. Now, many people will tell you, oh, never use leverage, never do this, never do that. For an average trader, it's almost impossible to figure out a perfect entry. So don't try to do it. But clearly, I mean, we've had an entry right here based off our tornado pattern. So this pattern right here, guys, is highly repetitive in Bitcoin, and you want to short the hell out of it when the pattern repeats itself. Now, certain conditions have to be met for this pattern, which we discuss in our crypto course. And so anybody, guys, this was a small investment. All I did was invested $2,000 in this trade. Now, I'm up 5,000 bucks. Now this is the profit. So far I've taken 2K into 7K on this trade. But more importantly is for you to try to stay with this trade and find out how far is it actually going to go. Is this a Bitcoin crash really going to intensify and materialize here? Or are we going to start collecting some gains? You're about to find out. Stay tuned. Let's go. Oh, and by the way, if you're not set up on Fimix, guys, there's a ton of platforms you could be using out there, but we use this one for a variety of reasons, for the simplicity, for the speed, the execution, guys, the list goes on. This is the one you want to be using if you are trading Bitcoin, either using leverage or not. But if you're an active trader, this is the best platform there. Mobile app is off the chain as well. It's really good. So guys, the link, if you want to sign up, the link is in the description below this video. We're on all kinds of bonuses for our group all the time. So make sure you sign up today so you can reap the advantages and the rewards. Also, the link for the crypto course is below in the description, guys. Make sure you acquire that course, because one entry, guys, one good entry, hey, we'll pay for the course, plus put a bunch of money in your pocket. So let's roll. What we're going to do is actually confirm and sell about half of the position here. Okay, done. We're going to wait for a slight bounce, and we're going to add to the position. So open, I only got 100,000 contracts now. Collected about 2,300 in profits, and we're going to reinvest that. So still up 260% on this trade. We're getting first green candle right here. Oftentimes in a pattern like this, it will reverse into a red candle shortly after, but it could touch the top of this candle right here. So we're going to wait just a few minutes. Okay, and we're going to short this candle right here. It looks highly bullish. That's exactly where we want to come in and build. Okay, so now I'm carrying 379,000 short. So this was the entry right here on top of that green candle. Expecting the next candle to reverse, and we're likely to head back to retest this level right here. You can see the percentage changed, was up 250 to 160%. I've cashed out some profits, about half of the position, and I've basically added a lot more contracts utilizing the leverage. So initially the day I started with 180,000 contracts short. We shorted this candle right here. Then I've cashed out right here and added on a tiny little bounce right here. But now we're carrying about 2.5 times the initial amount of contracts we had in the morning. Now, important to notice, I didn't close the entire position because that would have reset the liquidation price. So right now we're at 61,608. As you see, my liquidation price is at 62,437. And I'm on 100x leverage, guys. How do you do it? It's by understanding your entries and exits. Let's roll. All about entries and exits, guys. So this was the second entry right here on this candle, and this is where we're at now. So at this point, guys, early I've cashed out a little bit of the position, so we're about close to 10K for the day. So 11.7. We started with 2,100 bucks. All right, guys, it pays to know your moves, so we're up almost 200%. Again, I build up the position a little bit bigger to 482,000 contracts. So at this point, we're up at 15K. We started the day with 2,100 bucks, guys. 13 market moves. Learn it, study it. It'll make your trading a lot more fun and a lot more lucrative. Let's roll.